everyone, welcome to Golu's Yum Tums. Today we are making pork dumpling pho. Now pho is a soup based dish consisting of broth, rice noodles, herbs and meat. It's a Vietnamese dish. I have a very simple recipe and let's get started. Now to the pan, I'm not going to add any oil. Here I'm going to add roughly chopped onion, ginger, and I'm going to add some spices, that is star anise, cloves and peppercorns. Now if you want to make it spicy, add more peppercorns. Roast that really well till it gets nice brown color. Now that my onion and ginger have charred really well, it is given a nice brown color. Now I'm going to transfer this to a bigger pot which has about 10 cups of water. I've taken one whole chicken. This is 1 kg. With skin on. I do not want to add any oil because the fat oozes out. So I've taken 1 kg of chicken. I'm adding fish sauce. Now my fish sauce is really strong in taste, so I'm only adding about 2 tablespoons. But before adding your fish sauce, if you want to add more, just give it a taste and then go ahead and add. I'm adding dark soya only for the purpose of giving it a color. Other than that, I do not add soy sauce, but you can also add normal soy sauce and fish sauce. Now I've added salt as per the taste. I've tasted it first and then added because the fish sauce has salt. It's salty in nature. Now remove the frothy residue. It gives the broth a clear color. You do not want this froth and make it look cloudy. Once that's really boiled, I'm going to remove the chicken and once that cools down, I'm going to shred it into pieces. You really want the broth to boil really well. Give it a test and I feel it requires a little more salt, so I'm going to add a little more salt. I've strained and transferred it to a smaller pot which is easier for me to handle. So now to this broth I'm adding about frozen dumplings. You can also buy dumplings or you can just normally make it at home. Here one point I forgot to tell you is that I have made the broth from scratch, but if you feel like that's too much of job, you can just buy the store-bought one or you can just use the cubes, but this gives a really great flavor. Homemade is always better, it's always better to have homemade stuffs in handy. And now to the broth, once the dumpling have steamed, I'm also going to add rice noodles. Now rice noodles is Vietnamese pho is mainly with rice noodles. So once that has boiled, I had removed and taken out into a bowl. I by mistake forgot to shoot it and the video did not record. I've transferred my noodles and my broth into a bowl. I'm going to assemble it. I'm going to add some pork dumplings, shredded chicken, spring onion greens, some chili infused soy sauce and some sesame oil. Mix and slurp that away. Now that's really yummy and it's packed with so much of flavors. It's too good. Do try this at home, guys. It's a full meal. Do like, share and subscribe. Do comment and let me know how you guys like. Enjoy.